I want my car.
The Belching Grandma, Part 2, Dollar General.
No, Part 3.
Part 3, Dollar General.
Oh my God.
If I unlock the door, she'll get in, and we can't get the good video.
I want to go home. I want to go home. Okay.
Oh my God. What is it, like number 35, 40?
Could you please open the damn door?
Trinity's here, Mom.
Oh, the beautiful door.
The beautiful
Your beautiful granddaughter is hearing you curse and do the belching.
Oh. That guy looked in the car. It's gonna be look.
God.
Mother, there's people over there that can hear you. Look at that. Wait. Honey, if you look back there underneath where it says place, there's a car with a bunch of people. They're looking over here looking for the barking.
I'm getting kidnapped.
The left.
Okay.
I can't do it. I can't breathe.
I got pizza and exhausted. What would be?
Now she's talking in Belching. Okay, come on.
To show you exactly where we are, stay here, baby. Right outside. There. There's I-75 right down there in Ocala, Florida on Highway 27. Keep your head down if you don't want to be seen. As I walk through a soft spot.
Oh my God!
You're staring the wildlife.
I'm scaring myself.
Ew. Ew. Is that a close relation to B.O.?
Oh my God! I call the cops on them.
Oh my God. Hey. Oh my God. Oh my
That's
God.
it.
That's it. That's what you said. There we go.
Oh, we got people over there.
Yes, we do. Hey, look at these guys over here. Oh my God. Look, hey, Mom, why'd you bark at them?
Let's get the little lady.
You're just this old woman. Oh my God.
Oh, let's go.
You're just this old woman.
You looked at you.
I just had a spider on me. Oh my God.
Where?
I fell down.
Wait, okay, come on. You want to see if check her, oh my Lord.
It was on Mommy's thumb.
Alright. Beep.
Oh my gosh, let's go home.
You ready? You?
Hi, Momo. Hi, Gizmo. Hi, tell it to the side doors.
Come on. Bew.
Yep.
Mother, could you do me a favor? Give me the red tin out of the car.
I'm gonna see the video.
Oh my God. You belched your shoe out.
Really,
Look
Sizers?
at the Land Rover, honey.
I see it.
That's a Jeep.
No,
That's all.
an F.
Wow.
They leave the Serengeti to come back to it. Mother. The red tin. It's in there. The red cigarette tin.
Beep, beep.
Thank you. Beep.
Sizers, we don't want to see you.
Oh my Lord.
He got his butt.
This is going on 4 minutes now. Nothing but belching.
You lost your shoe and found Hey! Oh. Ah! Oh. And you're belching the mud on the tires with Brad Paisley. Ah!
Where's the headset?
But we don't need the headset just
Oh
yet.
my god!
Because Grandma's making a funny right here, right now.
What my
Ah!
Really, woman?
Ah! Ah! Ba ba ba. Ba ba ba. It almost sounds like it's coming from deep down your.
I don't know where the hell it's coming from.
Trinity!
Heck! 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 Heck!
How many times are you gonna repeat yourself?
I don't know.
B.
Oh my god.
Try A. A is always better than B.
I never got any.
That would explain all your beeps. That's your beep.
How about, Mom, how about do this? Bow wow.
I ain't gonna do nothing. I'm done.
Yeah.
I got blimps.
You've got more than that. No, no.
Oh, you listen to Tom Jones in the Ring of Fire.
No, woman. Oh, thanks for the kisses, but I don't want that.
Beep.
Oh
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Yes.
my. Okay, I'm done.
That's what you said last time while we were in Dollar General.
Last 2 times.
Oh my gosh.
I almost had soda come out my nose.
Yeah, that would have been good videotape as well.
Oh, yeah, you would say that.
Hey, Mom.
I'm driving this beast. I can't be laughing where I crack
Hey,
this
Mom.
somebody.
You know the camera loves you.
Well, I know your belches love you. So
Because they do it only when we're around, I've noticed.
yeah.
I'm done. Oh my gosh. There's a car coming.
Yeah.
Get my side, I'll say something. Oh my god.
Okay, Mother, I can't laugh anymore. Stop.
I'm trying to.
It hurts.
Yeah, me too. I'm the one with the
They're coming our way.
Oh my god. Can I go with you?
I don't think so. We're going to Virginia.
Virginia. I don't want to go to Virginia.
Hey, that's my hometown. What are you talking about? Virginia Beach is the best.
Lovely. This time of year. Okay, somebody
Yeah,
do
it is.
something.
It's actually nice. You got some killer ass waves too.
Kill our belches.
Oh my gosh, it's this last damn long. Oh. Can I go with you? I like your car.
I do too. Here we go.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, raise that up a bit.
Oh my gosh. What is
Oh my lord.
Oh my gosh. I'm so sorry.
No, don't be. Wow! Whoa! What was that noise?
Oh my god.
That's new. That's definitely new. Beep.
I don't know.
It's
Here in
making
public,
me
I gotta come here anyway. Alright.
Oh my god. Beep. Are you doing? Did you stop that? They're listening to Tom Jones. The tape's older than me. Beep.
Yes.
Oh my god.
Okay, that's enough.
Hey, bark at this old lady. There we go.
Oh! I'm cold. I'm cold.
Oh God, please walk by. I'm begging you. Oh Lord, please look.
Go, go, go.
I can't.
Taz, get out of the way. Nobody wants to see your hair. I need to relight that. My cherry bomb.
Oh, oh my God. Oh my Lord, help me. Oh,
Mom, look at me. I put down the camcorder.
I put up the window.
I want to see all the videos.
Oh my God.
Come on, Mom.
Alright.
That is so too funny.
I can't believe I'm sick. I don't know what happened. So, I mean, I never used to do that.
No. Oh my God, where's the old lady? Where's the old lady? Oh,
And she looks on in part of it. Mom,
that TikTok goose in here.
come on, Mom. Look.
Oh.
I turned off the video.
What?
I promise. Oh my God.
I want to see all the videos.
I don't even know why.
Oh,
Yes, you.
yeah. So it's a goose. There you go.
Oh. Yeah.
See the videos now. What?
Still recording.
Still recording? I can't see.
Get some dosage here.
No.
We've heard it driving down the road from your vehicle in ours.
Really?
Yes. We don't need to give it a chance.
Our speakers aren't as good yet. We gotta replace them.
He sings rather nice.
Oh yeah. So what are you? Keep singing.
Oh my God. It's exhausting.
Love the most. Love the most. My son. Hi, Mom.
Oh. Is that Bob Dylan?
No. That's rap. Oh God. You know what? I haven't been on this stuff in 2 days. Why do you ask me these questions? That's the name is on the tip of my tongue.
I can Tina Jones.
No.
Turner.
No.
I can Tina Jones.
Who the hell is Tina Jones?
I don't know.
Look at the
I want to
motorcycles.
see the videos.
Oh,
Here.
wow.
I would ride one of those. Any one of them, the trikes.
If you're going to have a trike,
Oh,
let's
God.
have a little bug.
Old man in the truck back there with his window out.
You.
You.
Wow, your breath is kicking, Ma.
My breath.
Is that all? You. I like that. That's what I'm talking about, Blazer.
No, I'm kidding. No, I'm kidding.
Okay.
Thank God we can't smell it.
Oh, Lord have mercy.
And Russell Stover's box of candy.
No.
Queuing up another Mazda 3 from Clubhouse to kick it off with Lake Salt Snacks. Howdy,
I
folks.
think she might be done. Maybe.
Nope.
Nope.
There's some truck sputtering
Hey, Mom.
Hello.
Here, Mom. Yes. Oh!
Bad all the way.
Yes, I know. I'm evil.
Upside down.
I am so evil.
Bad all the way.
Yes.
I'm
You're not evil. You're just so cute and precious. You are just precious. That's what you are. All right. You're not belching. But you are the cutest little powder ever. Oh, she kissed the camera. Aw. Yes, the camera loves you. Yes, it wants more of them. Oh, wow. Not that close. He almost knocked it out of Mommy's hand.
What I'm doing?
I'm not listening.
We're not putting on that damn song.
Yeah. Well,
Whoa.
that must be why they call it the.
Hey, do you have
Nothing.
picture?
No. honey.
Should be in the back that I brought in.
What
A CD?
Yeah.
Really, honey?
Oh yeah, I forgot. She doesn't have a CD.
I don't have a CD. I got Tom Jones.
No, you don't.
Woman, I'm gonna kick your butt.
I got Tom Jones.
Guess what?
Ah! You should have thrown it out the window.
I almost did.
Oh my God, that would have been funny.
did.
That face expression was perfect.
Don't pull my music away.
Oh, we.
I got
never-
Alabama.
Oh God, no,
No, you don't.
honey.
I'll throw it out the window.
Where?
That's
Oh my God, throw it away.
Whoa, my roof. My roof is on fire. My roof.
Watch out! I think her demon's coming out through her mouth.
Gosh.